Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Smith here. Today, we are going to do our introductory lesson to unit number 26 of Letterland that focuses on prefixes. So, throughout the year, I pointed out prefixes during many lessons, but we haven't had formal instruction on prefixes. So, here we go. So, let's start off first with the definition of a prefix. A prefix is a group of letters that are attached to the beginning of a word and changes the meaning of the word. This week we're going to take a look at 4 specific prefixes that are really common. Throughout our study, we're probably going to encounter some other prefixes as well, but these are going to be our main 4. The first prefix is the prefix re. The prefix re means again. Again. Our second prefix is the prefix pre, which means before. Our third prefix is dis, which means not. And our fourth prefix is the prefix un, which also means not. Okay? So all of our words this week, except for the tricky words, are going to have one of these prefixes attached to the beginning of a base word or root word to change its meaning. So I'm going to slide this over and we're going to take a look at list A for this week. So here are our unit words. I'm going to read them the first time. The second time, I would like for you to read them with me. Untie, rewrite, disappear, prepay, unaware, unafraid, refill, unwrap, preschool, replace, unhelpful, dislike. And then our tricky words are 12 and among. Come on, join in, read them with me. Untie, rewrite, disappear, prepay, unaware, unafraid, refill, unwrap, preschool, replace, unhelpful, dislike, 12 and among. Now, while I think that learning how to spell these words are really important, I think understanding what they mean is even more important. So that's what we're going to focus on now. Take a look at the word untie. In the word untie, un is going to be the prefix. I'm going to grab another color. And the base word is tie. So the word untie means not tied. Okay? Our second word is rewrite. Remember, re means again and write's the base word. So rewrite means to write again. Disappear. We have dis as the prefix, appear as the base word or the root word. Disappear means to not appear. In the word prepay, we have the prefix pre, and then we have the base word pay. Prepay means to pay before. Our next word is unaware. Our prefix is un. Our base word or root word is aware. If you're unaware, that means you're not aware of something. You don't know about it. Our next word is unafraid. Our prefix is un. Our base word or root word is afraid. Unafraid means you're not afraid of something. Refill. So re is our prefix. Fill is our base word. Refill means to fill again. And unwrap, un is our prefix. Wrap is our base word or root word. Unwrap means basically that something is not wrapped. Preschool. In the word preschool, pre is the prefix. School is the base word. So if you take a look at preschool, we know that it means before school. So preschool is like the school before real school or regular school. The next word is replace. In replace, re is the prefix. Place is the base word or the root word. Replace means to place again. If something gets torn up, you have to replace it, which means you have to get a new one and put it in its proper place. The next word is unhelpful. Unhelpful actually has a prefix and a suffix. The prefix here is un. The base word is help. And then we have a suffix here. The suffix is full. Now I'm going to take off the prefix for just a moment and just look at helpful with the suffix. I want to make sure you can see this. There we go. So helpful means full of help. If we put un in front of it, it means that you're not full of help. Unhelpful. And our final word with a prefix is dislike. So our prefix is dis. Our base word or our root word is like. To dislike means to not like. Excellent job, boys and girls.